How to activate public bank credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box. Type in public bank login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and navigate to this one website option. Open it, pbebank.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. Now select the option of PBE. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. First up, you will need to log into your account. So go ahead and type in your user ID, then click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in the password and click on done. Once logged in, look for the card management or services menu. Select the option for activating a new credit card. Input your credit card number and any other required information such as the card's expiry date and the CVV code. Confirm the details are correct and submit the activation request. You may need to answer security questions or enter a verification code sent to a registered phone number or email. Once your card is activated, you will typically receive a confirmation on your screen and possibly an email or SMS notification. You may also want to set up a PIN, enroll in SMS alerts, or register for mobile banking after activating your card. Well, this way you can easily activate your public bank credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.